Welcome to our lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to rent a car, asking about car types and prices.
Can I rent a car? Can I rent a car? Can I rent a car? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
I'd like to rent a bicycle. I'd like to rent a bicycle. I'd like to rent a bicycle.
I prefer a small car. I prefer a small car. I prefer a small car.
For a week. For a week. For a week.
For how many days? For how many days? For how many days?
I'd like a cheap car. I'd like cheap. A cheap car. I'd like a cheap car.
How long for? How long for? How long for? Is it manual or automatic? Is it manual or automatic? Is it manual or automatic?
I'd like a child car seat. I'd like
A child.
I'd like a child.
Car seat.
I'd like a child car seat.
Here are my documents.
Here are documents. My documents. Here are my documents.
I do not need insurance. I do not. I do not need. Not need. Insurance. Need insurance. I do not need insurance. Where are the lights? Where are light? The lights. Where are the lights? Does the car have gas? Does car. The car. Does the car have gas? Have gas. Does the car have gas? I'd like to rent a moped. Like. I'd like. Rent. To rent. Moped. Rent a moped. I'd like to rent a moped. The tank is not full. Tank. The tank. Is. Not. Is not. Full. Not full. The tank is not full. $40 a day with unlimited mileage. $40. $40. $40 a day. Unlimited. With unlimited. Mileage. Unlimited mileage. $40 a day with unlimited mileage. Any extra fee? Fee. Extra fee. Any extra fee? Where can I return it? Where can I? Where can I return? Return it. Where can I return it? I'd like to rent a motorcycle. Like. I'd like. Rent. To rent. I'd like to rent. Motorcycle. A motorcycle. I'd like to rent a motorcycle. Can I have a lock? Can I have? Can I have? Lock. A lock. Can I have a lock? Can I have a helmet? Can I have? Can I have? Helmet. A helmet. Can I have a helmet? Where are the turn signals? Where? Where are? Signal. Turn signal. The turn signals. Where are the turn signals? Are there any discounts? Are there discount? Discounts. Any discounts? Are there any discounts? I'd to rent a car with a driver. Rent. Car. A car. Rent a car. I'd to rent a car. Driver. A driver. With. With a driver. Rent a car with a driver. I'd to rent a car with a driver. Does this car have central locking? This. This car. Does this car? Locking. Central. Central looking. Have central locking. Does this car have central locking? Please send a car to my hotel. Send. Send a car. Please. Please send. Please send a car. Hotel. My hotel. Please send a car to my hotel.
Do you want insurance? Do you want insurance? Do you want insurance?
I want full coverage insurance. Want. I want. Insurance. Coverage. Coverage insurance. Full. Full coverage insurance. I want full coverage insurance. I'd to rent a two-door car. Rent. I'd to rent. Two-door. Car. Two-door car. I'd to rent a two-door car. What type of car would you like, manual or automatic? What type? What type of car? You like? Would. Would you like? What type of car would you like? Manual. Automatic. Manual or automatic? What type of car would you like, manual or automatic? Do you have anything smaller? Do you? Do you have? Any? Anything? Smaller? Anything smaller? Do you have anything smaller? What papers do I need with me? Paper. Papers. What papers? Need. I need. Do I need? What papers do I need? Me. With. With me. What papers do I need with me? How do you open the trunk? You. Do you? How do you? Trunk. Open. Open the trunk. How do you open the trunk? Does this car have child locks? This car. Does this car? Child. Lock. Locks. Have child locks. Does this car have child locks? I'll show you the controls. I'll show. I'll show you. Control. Controls. The controls. I'll show you the controls. Does this car have air conditioning? This car. Does this car? Air. Conditioning. Air conditioning. Have air conditioning. Does this car have air conditioning? Where are the windshield wipers? Where are wipers? Windshield. Windshield wipers. The windshield wipers. Where are the windshield wipers? How long is the minimum rental period? How long? Period. Rental. Rental period. Minimum. Minimum rental period. The minimum rental period. How long is the minimum rental period? I'd like to rent this car for 2 days. This car. Rent this car. I'd like to. I'd like to rent this car. Day. 2 days.
For 2 days.
I'd like to rent this car for 2 days. This is my international driving permit. Permit. Driving permit. International. International driving permit. This is my international driving permit. How much per kilometer? How much? Kilometer. Per kilometer. How much per kilometer? What is the cost of additional kilometer? Cost. What is the cost? Kilometer. Additional. Additional kilometer. What is the cost of additional kilometer? Are there any special weekend rates? Any. Are there any? Rate. Rates. Weekend rates. Special. Special weekend rates. Are there any special weekend rates? Should I return the car with a full tank? The car. Return. Return the car. I return the car. Should I return the car? Tank. Full tank. With a full tank. Should I return the car with a full tank? It has to be returned by 2 p.m. on Saturday. It has to. Return. Returned. Be returned. 2 p.m. Saturday. On Saturday. 2 p.m. on Saturday. It has to be returned by 2 p.m. on Saturday. I would like to include a second driver. I would like. Include. To include. I would like to include. Driver. Second driver. A second driver. I would like to include a second driver. Could I leave the car at the airport? Could. Leave. Could I leave? Could I leave the car? Airport. The airport. At the airport. Could I leave the car at the airport? Could I drop the car at my destination? Could. Could I? The car. Drop the car. Could I drop the car? Destination. My destination. At my destination. Could I drop the car at my destination? Do I need to pay a deposit? Need. I need. Do I need? Deposit. Pay a deposit. Do I need to pay a deposit? Does the price include insurance? Price. Does the price? Insurance. Include. Include insurance. Does the price include insurance?